Alright, thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. And in this video here, I am going to be showing you my easy dump and go version of chicken and dumpling soup. It's super it's super easy. Nothing too fancy smancy. My kids loved it. And I hope you guys love it too. And if you do, don't be stingy. Definitely share, like, and do all that good stuff. It helps my channel out. And enough of this talking, let's get into the video. Alright, I have my Instapot set at the saute section. I put a little bit of olive oil in my pan, and then I'm going to place my cubed chicken breasts in there, and I cut up about 3 of them. Alright, now it's time to add some chopped onions. It was like a half of an onion, about 3, or maybe like 1 carrot and a couple celery stalks, not that many. I added about 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and about a teaspoon of onion powder. Just to let y'all know, I like my food seasoned. I don't like any bland food, so yeah. There I put about a half a teaspoon of basil and a half a teaspoon of oregano. And then I'm just going to stir this all in there and make sure everything's cooked, because we don't want raw food. That'd be a whole nother issue. Once everything is done, I then add in some chicken broth. And I use 1 whole container, or one, I guess that's like a quart, whatever, one whole container of it. And I added about a half of another container of chicken broth. Then I added about a tablespoon and a half of some chicken bouillon. And I added a little bit over a tablespoon of some Italian seasoning. I added a teaspoon of minced garlic. I didn't have any heavy whipping cream, so I just added a little bit of milk that I had. So you can say maybe about 3 tablespoons of milk. And then I added about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. For my dumplings, I just used some canned biscuits, and I cut each biscuit into about 8 pieces, just as you can see, little triangles, and then I dumped them all in there. Alright, then I put it in the pressure cooker and cooked it for about 5 minutes. And once it was done, I made sure I hurried up and released the pressure, and voila, here is the results. Like I said before, super yummy. The kids absolutely loved it. If you tried this recipe out, definitely let me know what you think. I appreciate all your love and support. I appreciate all y'all who keep coming back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.